Hello students, welcome back to Learn Bio 360. In this video, we are going to talk about speciation. What is speciation? The formation of new species is known as speciation. How the new species is formed? The new species are usually formed by the accumulation of mutations. The accumulation of mutations will lead to the formation of new species. And the second case is the migration. When a species will migrate, it means it changes its place of habitat, then there will be certain mutations which are accumulated, and these species, they cannot reproduce along with their parental species. So in this way, they may also form the new species. The third thing is the natural selection. This is already we have discussed in previous video. The fourth thing is the genetic drift. So genetic drift talks about the sudden change in the DNA. It talks about the sudden change in the DNA. So there may be a different factors by which there will be a sudden change in the DNA. Those things we will be studying in the higher classes. The third thing is the geographical isolation. So when a same species, they are separated by a geographical area, they cannot interbreed at some times. So this also lead to the formation of new species. So this process of formation of new species is known as speciation. So the major thing to be noted here is that the newly formed species, they are reproductively isolated from the parental or sister population. The newly formed species are reproductively isolated from the parental population. So now let us look at the classification of organs based on the evolution. So here we will be considering the anatomy of the organisms for classification and also to talk about their evolutionary relationships. So the organs are basically classified into two types based on their structural and functional relationships. Based on the structural and functional relationship, the organs are classified into two types. One is the homologous organs, and the second one is the analogous organs. Now let us talk about the homologous organs. So as you all know, the word homo means same. So now look at these four different types of bones, four bones from different species. This is from the human, this is from dog, this is from the bird, and the fourth one is from the whale. If you see here, the bone, the anatomical arrangement of the bones is almost same here. See, this radius and ulna and this 5 fingers, what you are seeing here, all these are almost same. The length and the shape may be different, but anatomically the composition or the how the structures has been made, they are of the similar type of bones, right? So the organs of different species, if you see here, these are the organs of different species. They are structurally related. Okay, so as they are structurally related, we can conclude that they might have come from a common ancestor. As these organs are structurally related, we can conclude that all these have evolved from a common ancestor. So these organs are functionally, they may be related or not related, but they might have got adapted based on their requirement. As the habitat of all these organisms is different, based on their habitat, their function may be different. But if you look at the structure, it is almost same. So these type of organs which are structurally similar, they are called as homologous organs. So now let us talk about the analogous organs. Analogous organs, the word ana means they are similar in one way, but not 100% similar. Okay. So if you see the wings of a bird and wings of an insect, you can see the anatomy. So here you can see the bone pattern what we have seen in the previous slide, but here there is no like arrangement of bones here, right? So if you see here, these two, both of them are the wings. These are functionally related. How they are related? They are functionally related, right? But if you see the anatomy, it is different. If you see the anatomy is different. So the organs of different species which are structurally dissimilar. It means as they are structurally dissimilar, it means they don't have a common ancestor, but they are functionally similar. These are called as analogous organs. Hope you understood the difference between homologous and analogous organs. So these are the questions which are usually asked in the board exams. Please try to answer on your own. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, I will be talking about fossils. Like and share the video with your friends. If you want me to make videos on any specific topic, type in the comment box. Thank you once again for watching the video.